Today, we're going to be tearing off all the reverse rotating marine parts of this engine
to eventually build it back up as a street engine.
What makes this engine a marine engine? These water jacketed manifolds. Water actually runs through these to help keep the exhaust cool to prevent fires. We also have this super beefy oil pan that needs to be beefy because that's actually how it mounts to the boat. We have a marine timing chain cover. It relocates the water pump to underneath, so the lower it's mounted, the easier it is to get water into it from the pickup on the bottom of the boat. And this has a reverse rotating camshaft. These marine engines tend to be reverse rotating because that's what the outboards need to drive the boat. Let's start tearing this apart. First part you got to do is get these water jacks off.
Yeah.
No wonder it ran like what?
Yeah, I got it. Look at there. Hardly even used.
Yeah.
Just here and watches us do the work. I've been hiding that from you so you don't take that, so I'm going to have to hide it again.
I know, I'm surprised you let us know where your hiding spot was.
Well, I know I'm going to have to put it out in the shop above the attic or something.
Alright, Dad, down to one more here.
Okay, I just
you got a good hold to that?
Yeah, I got it, but we got to take that hose off the front. It'll be easier to do it.
There we go.
Oh man, I was looking for that.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Should have used that. Where's that screwdriver?
Here we go. Look at that. Running pretty good, wasn't it, when it did?
Oh, you need
Crescent wrench. Another one too. A bigger one in there would be good.
Excited.
Jeez, why did you give me a bigger one? What the hell? What the hell? Shit. This is the crap I gotta deal with. Jeez. Oop. Here we go.
Here you go.
Oh, shit. Look at that.
There's
That don't look
there.
good.
No,
Holy smokes.
that looks terrible.
Well, see, it's a good thing we got Jake around here to figure that out. Jeez, I tell you. Whoop, 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 whoop. That should be good enough. The old walnut tree there, and
Tell people what you're doing, Dad.
taking this carburetor off. Can't you see that? All right, look at that. A nice little carb. Look at that, nice and clean. We're gonna put something right on there right away. Big screwdriver I just had here. Oh, big screwdriver.
I think it's big enough. You probably pull it back.
I don't know if you want to take them off then, and
I think you gotta take it all the way out.
I believe so. Oh, see, here's the difference. Your reverse rotation, this is what's got to be different now.
You had time to remove your alternator.
Yep, I was just thinking that. Look at that wrist action.
Look at that.
Yeah. Ran into a guy at Runnings today, and he saw I had some WD-40 and some brake cleaner. He goes, don't you guys ever take the time off? We're working on another engine today.
We're always
Yeah. There we go.
Oh, water definitely didn't get in from there.
Yeah, I'd say. There you go.
So there you go.
That'd probably gonna be worse. No, it is actually pretty good. See, that says 289 head. Okay, you get it? You're doing this. Okay, she's ready to come up. Whoop, get this thing here's on. Jeez, it looks pretty good. Or just probably throw some lubrication on it and let her go. It's gonna be heavy.
Oh, geez, that one came flying out of there.
You know, as we speak here, we have the Three Stooges are on TV.
Are they really on TV though?
Yeah, well, no, they're really right here.
Or are they working on an engine?
Whoop, 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 whoop.
That one's just definitely a small one there. Big
Let me. This is all steel. It'd be pretty heavy, wouldn't it? Okay, I'm coming down to the end here.
Let me get this one.
Yep. From to infinity and beyond.
That's what I was looking for. Star Command, come in. Star Command.
Okay,
Is that all of them?
I believe so.
Oh,
Hmm?
He's going.
Is it? Oh, it is over here too. But oh yeah, there we go. Got, yep. Unless there's something in the back here.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep, there's one in there.
Is there really?
On this side, yeah.
Okay, good thing we didn't force it out. 7/16.
There's one on your side too.
Where at? Right here?
Nope.
Shit.
Up underneath.
This is the size. Will it fit in there? Got one. My gosh. Oh, that was didn't even have a washer on it. Can you see it? Or is that help?
Yeah, no, that's perfect. Right there, Pops. Careful, it might come.
Yep, I know. I got a hold of it here. That's a good thing we didn't horse it off, because that wouldn't be good if we broke that. Right? It wouldn't be good. There you go. Okay, you got it. Oh, look at that. That's the muck and the guck.
Bottom end looks good though. Looks real nice. Is that like half inch steel?
Looks like it.
Like 3/8 ounce.
I need one of my nice screwdrivers here. See there?
Screwdrivers.
Good job, Lee. Thank you. By golly, it did.
Look at that, Pops.
It goes.
Easy peasy.
Well, here, I'll pull that right off.
Get a shot.
Oh,
There you go.
you've been down here a lot more than the Senator Slinden has, so.
No fun. Yeah, no. She's one of the best.
That's all right. Sure sounds like it. Yeah. Okay.
There she is.
Look at that.
And that's it for this teardown of this engine. Our next steps is to liquidate these parts so we can start that 3-3 stroker. So subscribe so you can watch us build that 3-3 stroker and stick around long enough, and you'll see this engine come back to life as a street engine.